Hi there, my name is Danielle and I'm from the course planning team here at Stop One. Today I'll be taking you through some key tips on how to navigate important UniMelb systems. Let's get started. This is going to be your home base, students.unimelb. It has all the important links and tabs to get you where you need to be, so if you get lost, you'll know where to go. There are many useful resources here at your fingertips. You can go to Study Overseas to view information on applying to go on exchange, or you can click on Admin to access important information that you need to know for your course, including things like re-enrollment and exams and assessments. Your My.UniMelb, your student portal, is probably one of the spaces you will be spending the most time throughout the duration of your course. You can access My.UniMelb via the Home tab on the Students.UniMelb page. It's important to ensure that you check your emails regularly so you don't miss out on any important communications from us. You can click here to view your study plan and enrol into your subjects for your course. Once you have enrolled into subjects, the next step would be to register for your classes. The easiest way to do this is to click here to register for your classes and view your timetable for the semester. You may be wondering what the LMS is for. Well, the LMS is the Learning Management System. It is your central student management hub, and it is used for all of your learning content and any subject communications you may have with your subject coordinators. Now, where do you go if you have general questions about studying at the university? For example, where can you find out more about applying for leave? Fear not, because we have a central FAQ system called Ask.UniMelb. Simply type in keywords for your question and a list of responses will populate for you. Sometimes we all need a bit of human interaction. It's very simple to book an appointment with an advisor should you need further assistance with course planning. All you have to do is head to Admin, click on Stop One, then book an advisor and follow the prompts to secure your appointment. If you are having issues, feel free to contact Stop One. You can book appointments online, check our opening hours to drop in, submit an online inquiry, live chat or call us.